Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot trading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Aries. We'll be picking a few cards, guys. So, one card for your general energies, Aries, one card for your career situation, and one card for your relationship, guys. So, we will open the cards as we proceed, guys, and I'll be picking one card for your oracle's guidance message. So we will turn the cards now, guys. Aries, so for your general energies, guys, two of cups. So Aries, with this card, the energy is that, guys, you are going into some collaborations in your life, some partnerships, some positive partnerships or business collaborations, or it may be a new person. You are sharing a greater understanding now with this person, and this connection is moving to a different level. It has a great potential because of that affection, understanding, and love that you have in this relationship, guys. That is also what I see here. And what is the card for your career situation? Knight of Pentacles. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in your career situation or in your business situations, you would have given up some opportunities to success because of your carelessness, and uh, it may also be because of uh, your your way of doing your work. Maybe you do not want to put that maximum efforts. uh, that may also be the reason for certain failures that you saw in your work, or you're facing right now in your work situation or in your business, guys. So, and also maybe some of you all may be out of job also, guys, and you are really stressed in your work situation. That is what I see here. So maybe with this card, that situation may be coming to an end, guys. You may be seeing success again, or you may get a job, you may go in for that positive collaborations in your work. So what is the card for your relationship, Aries? It is Seven of Swords. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe for some of you all in your uh, relationship, you do not want to take that responsibility. You do not want to be there for this person. You just want to have fun. You don't want that responsibility. Or this may be what this person feels about you, about this relationship. They are committed. They want to make that effort to take this relationship forward. They are responsible, and you are not. You do not want that commitment. Or this may be vice versa, guys. Your person does not want commitment, and you want commitment. That is what I see here with this card, guys. So let us see what is the oracle's guidance for you all, guys. So this card will answer. Let us turn the card now. The Fates. So the oracle's guidance for your Aries is that uh, when when our situation is in such a way that we feel powerless, we feel that we cannot change, we need to accept it as it is. But when we can change certain situations, we have to have that courage to change that situation. And knowing the difference between these two situations is the wisdom that we learn, guys, in life. So whatever we cannot change, that is what is destiny or fate. So in our circumstances, we need to have that wisdom. So maybe in this relationship with this person, we cannot change that other person, we cannot mold them to be like what we are expecting them to be, to fit in our view. So to avoid that discomfort, we need to accept them unconditionally and love them unconditionally as they are, for what they are, truthfully. If you are able to do that, well and fine. So we need to understand that we cannot change anything, and the reason they are there in our life is because of destiny, guys. They the only reason we have that this connection with this person is because we are on the path to our greater growth, this personal growth. So that is the only reason this person is there in our life, guys. You need to understand that. And maybe even in your work situation, whatever your expectations are, sometimes it may not manifest. So it may be some situation you are totally unprepared for. So you need to have that understanding, guys. So when you cannot change things, however they are, whatever efforts you put in, when certain situations do not change, you just have to ride it out and wait for how things are going. Surrender to the universe, give up that expectations, whatever you have. And when you do that, when you give up that uh, sense of doing and uh, making those efforts, when you give up that, you will uh, indeed see the right way to go. You will align with destiny, and uh, whether you can or whether you cannot change your situation, you will feel that peace in your present situation, guys. So that is what this card is about, Aries. So whatever happens today, guys, so this may relate to your work situation or your relationship. So whatever things that you cannot change, you have to accept it as it is and believe in destiny. So whatever is supposed to happen will come to manifest. So you cannot change it. Try what you may, you will never be able to change that situation, guys. So that is the reading for your Aries. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aries.